guys, it's gonna be a quick video. It's gonna show you how to do a very quick meal prep dish. I'm literally out the door for work soon. I just want to make me a quick meal. I want to show you how fast it is. So I have some barramundi. I have some shiitake mushrooms. And I have some string beans. I already pre-prepped these a long time ago. Everything's cleaned and washed. I have some seasoning. This is store-bought. Well, no, not store-bought, but this is salsas from a taco stand. I just saved them. I'm going to show you how to use them repurpose it so we can make a meal out of it. And I have some rice that I already cooked. And I'm going to show you how everything comes together. So first I'm going to take the fish out the package. I'm going to wash, rinse it, pat it dry, throw it in the pan, and we're going to go for the next steps after that. Water's boiling. I'm going to throw our string beans in. We only want to do this for about maybe a minute or two. Okay, now I'm going to take your string beans out. Transfer to a bowl. The string beans are a little bit beat up, but they're still good. I'm gonna save them. Okay. So here we have our barramundi, which is patted dry. Gonna go skin side down. Make your fish very crispy. On the flip. I always like to cover it. This will make the fish cook a lot faster. This is where I season. Alright. Flip it over. In the same pan, we're going to cook our gravy because we want to maintain that flavor. I'll take the fish out and throw the green beans. This is where I season a little bit. I like to take those salsas. Use that. The flame off now. I like to use a little rice scoop with a portion on my rice. That's good. I'll take my lovely piece of fish. And then our vegetables. Here's our completed meal prep for the day. We have some sauteed mushrooms, string beans. I have the barramundi. Underneath, some lovely rice. And that's it.